Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101. Kumusta mong tanan? Nang hinaot ko nga okay ramong tanan. Okay? So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to say set the table in Bisaya Cebuano. There are 4 ways to say this. I actually asked my friends to help me out on this one. I just want to know how they say this at home. So I was able to collect another 3 more on how to say set the table. Here they are. The first one is what we use at home. Pagbasiyo na sa lamesa. Pagbasiyo na sa lamesa. Okay? So this is not so common. I realized this is not so common anymore. But at home, it is what we use. So, pagbasiyo na sa lamesa. So, I actually checked the binisaya.com dictionary. And basiyo means void or empty. So, I couldn't really correlate from the setting of the table. So, maybe that's how it is, mga higala. So, pagbasiyo na sa lamesa. Na here, mga higala, means now. Okay? And sa here is the preposition. And then lamesa means table. Now, let's go to the second one, which is pangandam na sa lamesa. Pangandam na sa lamesa. Pangandam. Okay, pangandam. So, this is the command pang. So, andam is the root word here. It means to prepare, to ready. Okay, pangandam. Okay, that means prepare the table. Okay, and the third one is andama. That means from the root word andam, which means prepare. So, and andama here has the suffix a. So we attach the suffix at the end of andam, the root word andam. This is a command, okay? Andama. The last one, mga higala. Paghapnig nag mga plato kay mangaon na ta. Paghapnig nag mga plato kay mangaon na ta. Okay? The paghapnig, the pag here is also a command, is in command form. Hapnig, what I understood is to organize or to put something on, maybe on a table. So basically is to is to organize. That's what I understand from the word hapnig. Okay? So paghapnig nag na, basically na og nag mga plato means plates. Okay? Paghapnig nag mga plato, that means to put the plates. Okay? Kay here, it means because. And then mangaon means will eat. When we have the prefix mang here, that means the verb is applied to 2 or more people. Okay? Mangaon, that means will eat. Okay? The mangaon here comes from the root word kaon. Okay? And na is now, and then ta is coming from the full word kita, which means we or us. Alright? So, paghapnig nag mga plato, that means put the plates now because we are going to eat. So, these are the ways, the variations on how to say set the table. Okay? So, let me read this in a regular pace. Pagbasiyo na sa lamesa, pangandam na sa lamesa, andama na ang lamesa, paghapnig nag mga plato kay mangaon na ta. Okay? I want to thank my friends who have helped me out on this one. Thank you, Mylene, Joyce, Rachel, and Ma'am Epi for helping me out on this one. So, yes, guys, I actually asked my friends who are Bisayang Dako. That means who have been here in Cebu City for a very long time. Okay? So that's how to say set the table, mga higala. So the next step for this one, mga higala, is to test yourself. So always test yourself after watching the lesson, because it really helps with word retention, mga higala. So to do this, mga higala, you can do this on your own, or if you want a more structured and organized way to learn, I have it all on my site. It's already laid out for everyone there who wants to learn, cebuano11.com. So it's all there, mga higala, for you to consume. Everything there is ready for you to tackle, okay, to take on. So I hope you guys will go and visit my website. I have tons of lessons there for you. So that's all, mga higala, and daghang salamat for being with me today and for giving me a slice of your time. So see you next time, next video, mga higala, and as always, amping mo kanunay, daghang salamat sa suporta. Bye!